Sentry Logs are a great way to gain more insights into what is going on in your application. For example, like what events are happening, how many times they're happening, or even do some aggregates based on an attribute that is attached to these logs. And that is a lot better than just crash reports. I mean, crash reports are cool, but logs make them cooler. Let me show you an example. I have a React Native mobile app with an Express.js backend that uses AI to generate cooking recipes. And in this application, I have a crash, cannot read property to uppercase of undefined. If I scroll down, I'm going to see that this is the line where this happens. The diet is undefined and we're trying to invoke to uppercase to it. Upon further debugging, I realized that the diet becomes undefined when the users are changing it to none. So the diet, meaning just a regular user diet, it can be either none or something specific like keto or vegetarian or pescatarian, etc. So when users are changing it from something to none, instead of being treated as a value none, it's being treated as an undefined. And this is why the error happens. So even though I know that, I also want to know how many more times should I expect this error to happen? Or how many times the users have changed their diets from something else to none? So I can properly prioritize fixing this issue. To figure that out, I'm going to go to the Explore Logs page and scroll down and see exactly what we're looking for. Changing that from none to other, changing that from pescatarian to none, from other to pescatarian. These are messages that are logged out every time a user changes their diet. And it's not just the messages, we also have the current diet. So from other to pescatarian, this is the other, and we can even see the user type is set to free. This one is enterprise, all right? That's a high ticket one. This is still enterprise. All right, first I wanna see the frequency of changing diets from whatever to none. And in order to filter that, those messages, I'm gonna go to the search bar right here and do message. Instead of contains, I'm gonna do is changing diet from star, from whatever, to none. All right, and that filters out all of the log messages where the users change their diet from whatever to none. And we can see we have 69 matches out of 2.7 logs in this time frame. That means almost 70 more crashes can happen. This definitely helps me prioritize the issue. But why stop here? I showed you that there are user types attached to all of the log messages. So let's make an aggregate and group all of these messages based on the user type. So I'm going to go to advanced here and I'm going to group by profile.userType. And look at that. We have a table that says that enterprise users are the ones changing their diets to none the most. This is definitely changing the priority of this issue. If this issue affects enterprise users the most, then I better get to fixing it. But yeah, now I know what it is and I also know how to prioritize it. So I hope this was helpful. If you want to learn more, check out our logs quick start page. Thanks for watching.